Hello! We are just near the river and we're not going to go down because it's too full today, but look at the wonderful colours. But on the way back I'm going to let you walk. Dogs just tripped me up. And let you see the fabulous sunset. It is beautiful. I know Cosmo. Cosmo knows that Will has made dinner for us. So we're going to have to rush back in a minute. How beautiful is that? Looks like all the clouds are just lit up on their own. Yeehaw! Anyway, it's just a short, and as you can see, if I turn around, Cosmo's telling me to hurry up. So I'm going to say bye from me, Cosmo and Scout. Bye!